Yeah, hi. Uh, this video is a kind of extension of chapter 8, as I have received a request to solve the problems for this chapter from a good student. So I'm going over it, but before starting them, there was a mistake in uploading the correct version of this chapter in the classroom, and even in the video I went over that, but I did some adjustment over here. So just watch this video, consider this video, and the one is now available at Google Classroom. Okay, so the questions are very straightforward. You can find the answer reviewing the video or the slides. About the problem here, so I'll start to solve this. Now, find the market interest rate for a debt security given the following information. So in this chapter we have basically only one formula to use. Okay, that's it. So whatever is given, you'll solve it by this formula. I'm copying it here. Okay, let's enlarge it in order to see it. Okay, let's get back to the question. So basically we are looking for R, small r. Okay, R equals to, we have here real rate of interest rate, which is 2%, plus default risk premium, or this is actually inflation premium. Okay, so we go for inflation premium, which is 3%. Let's find the items over here as it is given in order. Now, default risk premium is 4%, plus default risk premium. Okay, so maturity risk premium is 3%. Okay, and lastly, liquidity risk premium, which is here 2%. Okay, and this equals to 5, 9, 12, 14%. Or 0.14. Okay, both are the same. That was the answer for this question. Very, very straightforward. Okay, what about the second one? Now, a 30-year corporate bond has made an interest rate of 12%. So in this question, R is given. It means we should look for another item. Okay, 12%. This bond is not very liquid and consequently requires 2% liquidity premium. 2% liquidity premium. Okay, so LP equals 2%. Now, the bond is of a low quality and thus has a default risk. Okay, default risk premium of 2%, 2.5%. Default risk premium equals 2.5%. Now, so maturity risk premium over here 1.5%. 1.5 maturity risk premium equals 1.5%. Now, inflation premium is 3%. Okay, so A part. Estimate the market interest rate of a 30-year treasury bond. Whenever we talk about market interest rate, okay, 30-year treasury bond means government bond, okay, the benchmark. Okay, so, and this is the same as real interest rate. Okay, real rate of interest. Okay, and if we look at this, all the items are given here except this one, so easily you can go for that one. Okay, so how we solve it? 12% equals to 2%, no, actually RR plus 2% plus 2.5% plus market of maturity risk premium 1.5% plus inflation premium over here, sorry, plus 3% inflation premium. Okay, so we have 12% equals to RR plus, so 9%. 9%, and therefore RR equals to 12% minus 9% and equals to 3%. That's the answer of part A. Okay, what about part B? What would be the inflation premium on treasury bond if investors required a real rate of interest of 2.5% and other factors are constant? So this time this question is asking us if RR equals to 2.5%, what will be inflation premium? Okay, so very straightforward. Okay, and this time we have all the factors over here the same in order to shorten our way. 3%. I'm copying and pasting it, sorry. But the thing is, inflation is not given. Okay, sorry. Inflation premium, and also this is 2.5%. Okay, so as we did in the previous one, 12% equals to, let's sum up all these, 578.5. okay, 578.5% plus IP, inflation premium. So IP equals to 12% minus 8.5% and equals to 3.5%. Yep, that was the answer for the question. Thanks for your attention.